Hi vlog. Welcome to my video, okay?
Okay, so what are we gonna do today?
So we're gonna open
tonight. We're gonna open
my Ryan fridge.
Ryan World fridge
Ryan.
surprise.
Yeah. So
This is like a mini fridge. So how many surprises do we have here?
That many.
Okay, all right. Let's show it in the camera.
There's more.
Look, this is heavy, guys. So we have 15 surprises.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Yes. Are you guys ready?
Yeah! Yeah! Hello guys. I love it.
Okay. How are we gonna open this?
Right here. Mommy, you have to open this. You have
It's
to,
behind
you
here.
have to cut this. Mommy, you have to cut this, of course, Mom. I cut this.
Okay, we're gonna move this. Let's get the fridge first.
Yeah. Mommy,
Get the fridge.
you cut. I can open it. I think you open it. You open it at the bottom, Mom. My grandma did. We don't care.
Look, you're trying to call her to.
I'm gonna go first. My grandma did. Can you move it? I want to see. Ethan.
It's hard to open.
Mommy. Mommy. Sorry, Ryan.
Put it there.
He's ripping. You're ripping your face off.
It's okay.
I see you, Ryan. Patata.
Okay, so there's more.
Oh my gosh. Yes. I'll do that.
You just gotta twist it.
What's this way?
Yeah, totally.
I choose you. How do you get this one? Yeah. Bag. Wait, Chinese. Ethan, stop it. Okay. Get that off me. Mom. Ow. We got it.
Okay. Let's get the fridge out.
You didn't got one more thing on.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the tape off.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You have to
We gotta cut this first.
Mom, you have to rip that off. Then you can color on there, Mom.
Yeah, this is where you put your grocery list.
Murphy.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready? Ready?
This is mine. This is my seat.
No, you guys share.
Ooh.
Okay, tell me the first surprise. Oh, there's light.
Ow. There's a light. Oh, I'm gonna open this one first. Let's see what this one is.
Okay, let's open one surprise at a time.
No, not that one yet.
One at a time, buddy.
Yeah.
One at a time.
Mom, pizza. Oh, pizza.
Okay, you gotta show it in the camera. What do you have?
There's a lot of boxes.
Oh, no, you gotta show it here. Here. Open it first.
What's this? My eyes. Yeah. Oh my. Mommy, there's a bag.
What bag?
It's a blue bag. Let's open it. Ow.
What kind of bag?
I think I see Gus.
Gus?
Yes. My up this. I think I see Gus in here. Mommy put ice down, ice there.
Let's see.
That's not ice.
Okay,
This is not ice. And we can do it like that.
Yeah, that's probably the.
That's not ice, Mom.
Okay. We need.
I got Gus. Mine did. I hope you open it. I think I got Gus. Like that. Mama, I think I got Can the Bear. In the bear. Let me open this one.
So what's inside this, guys?
It's toy.
I know it's a toy. What?
Oh, Mom, there's a blind bag over here. It's a big one. What is this?
Let me get a...
Why would you leave the scissors?
Oh, who's this?
I don't know who that is.
Mommy.
Cause I don't know her name yet.
Oh,
I don't know her name. Ah! I can't.
Here,
Mom,
look, there's a
what is it?
hole right here where you can...
My
Gus.
did.
It's a Gus.
Here, what's this?
That's combo. Combo.
Mm.
I figured it out. It's combo and Gus. I got Gus. Gus. He eats the gummies.
Mom.
Yeah, I do have one.
Here.
Yeah,
And what about this one? I think it's a knife.
Your knife.
I don't. Yep, it is. I know what it is. Everything.
My knife.
I know.
It's a pretend knife.
Yeah. Yep.
Pretend
I
knife.
told you.
Yeah.
Give me the ice. Give me that.
Mommy.
It's really.
ice.
Cut. Let's open
Next.
this one.
That's it?
Let's open this one.
Look, there's one more. Sticker.
It's tattooed now, I think. Let's shut it. So what is this? The bomb, there's tape on it. I think. No, there's not. There's, of course not. But I don't know what it is. Ethan, don't open it yet.
No.
Mommy, Ethan's opening one. Mommy, Ethan's opening one already. Mom, Ethan's opening it. Mommy, Ethan's almost gonna open it.
Hold on.
Oh, Mom, he's getting for it. He's almost there, Mom. Ethan, no. Oh, Mama, I think I found the slime one. There's slime. Let's not open that one yet, because that's a very not good one. Mommy, let's open the slime one at the very end, because this one is not what I think. I never wanted a slime thing. Why would there be a slime?
No, just one.
Ethan, no.
What's the next surprise?
This is a slime thing.
Mommy.
Okay, it's a slime.
There's some bubble bath.
And yep, okay, let's just put it back here.
We'll open that
Where's
one. We'll open that one at the end.
Okay.
That's a little-
Where'd you get this? Okay, next.
I got the egg.
What
one.
is this? What is this, guys?
You need to cut it.
My shin.
Okay.
My
Open it.
shin.
Oh, it's just,
Shin.
okay, it's magnetic sand.
My
I love
shin.
Okay.
My
Next.
cut. Let's open this.
Did you guys put, I think we need to put this thing back like it's a pretend ice cube.
I think it is. I think it is an ice cube. Ow.
You know how to open it?
Yeah.
Shin. My shin.
Where's the other one?
Where's the shin?
Where's the other one for this?
Ow.
My mommy cut the shin dish.
Yeah?
Can't open it.
Here, let me help you.
He said, I'm gonna cut it. See what
Here. Here, that's how you open it. Ooh, there's 4 mini
Ethan,
eggs.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, let's open one first. Okay, you open this.
I can't open it. I think it's baby egg.
What kind of egg?
It's cracked already, but I don't know. Oh, it's a blind bag.
Oh.
It's a red blind bag. There's a little hole that you can see.
My baby egg.
You have the scissors, Mom.
My baby egg.
Gosh. You guys know only one at a time, Ethan.
Okay. Let's open this first, Bubby. Let me get a...
My own egg dish.
Let me see.
I got one piece.
Okay, what's inside?
I don't know.
What's inside the first egg?
I don't know. What is it? It's a pineapple drink.
Oh.
It's a pineapple.
Okay, let's check this one out.
I'm gonna check this one. Let's put the pineapple back in.
Let's see. Look, buddy.
Pineapple.
Look, it's a mini popsicle.
Put it back in the egg.
Here, buddy.
I'm gonna put my egg back
Can you
in.
believe it?
There's a tiny little egg. There's a tiny little baby egg.
Oh, I think this is a pizza.
Yep.
Pizza. Show it.
Stop it,
Where's the other egg?
I have it. But I don't. Oh, it's right here. So right here.
Okay, let's put it back in the egg tray.
A mini bottle.
Oh, okay. So that's it for the eggs.
My eggs. We got the last one, I think. Ow. How do you open it?
Yes.
How do you open it?
So how many surprises do we open? A lot.
Yes. The last. We got a jar. It's a jar.
Oh my, Ethan, shut it. I don't want the power to get out.
What's that?
The jar with combo.
I think it's slime.
I think it's a toy.
Toy, let's see.
Yep, it looks like boogers.
Can't get it off.
My slime.
Oh, slime. Here, let me help you. Okay. I think this is. See, yep. You put the ice thing here.
Ow!
See it, guys?
Yeah.
The pretend ice cube.
I think this is the cup. How do you get this out?
How do you?
My book. My book.
Oh! That is so cool.
Bye bye, mommy.
So these are the pretend condiments, juice. Try it again. Put it back. It's so cool.
Mommy, this one ice. This is not a big ice then. My big ice. Big ice.
You gotta wait. Okay, next.
Mommy. I think I need to put it this one. I need it.
That's the last one.
See, boy. I wonder what this is. It has. I guess this.
Hey,
Oh, mommy. I don't know.
don't eat slime.
Ew. What do we say? My bowl. Mama, I found the one. Let's open it.
Here, let me do it,
Mommy,
Ina.
I'll do it. I know how to cut scissors, Mom. Mommy.
I'll do it.
It's Ryan, Mom. It's Ryan, it's the customer. I found the customer deal. I think it's the mommy. Look, I found Ryan.
Ooh, there he is. Should we put him inside the fridge?
No, let's put him in the jar.
What's inside of that?
I don't know.
It's just a pretend.
Mommy. Oh, it's a push down thing. So we can
Oh.
put Ryan.
What's that?
It's a Ryan thing.
Ooh, Lego. Okay, let's put the egg back. And what is this? That's it?
Yep. Oh, sure.
This is the last surprise. It's the
Ryan. Lego.
yeah, Lego.
Back in. Mommy. Got it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you guys have your own fridge, mini fridge, but it's just a pretend. Okay, put it back.
No.
Put the ice cube. What are you doing? What do you want?
Because it's stuck.
Okay. So I think that's it, guys. I think this is a cool toy.
I see a Ryan face. So Ryan face. Hello, Ryan.